We come here to address the shocking response from the city for the first time in unison. Their response that said a 12-year-old child is responsible for his own death based on what we saw in that video because he wasn't careful. We find it very insulting and disrespectful, not just to this family, but to the memory of a dead child.
The city's answer was very disrespectful to my son, Tamir. I have not received an apology from the police department or the city of Cleveland in regards to the killing of my son. And it hurts. All I can say is that I haven't received an apology for the killing of my son from the police department or the city of Cleveland. And if an apology was on the table for that, I would accept it with some actions and the people being held accountable for it.